Here's another simple test you can run against your business website today to check that a key aspect of its technology is working properly. If you're new to this series of videos, I'll explain that we're providing some simple but meaningful do-it-from-home tests that you can perform against your website to assess how well it's built. We do this by considering your website from 4 key standpoints: design, content, technology and marketing, and we're going to look at a technology test today. Generally speaking, the technology aspect of your website is the one you shouldn't really need to worry about, because your website designer should handle all the techie stuff for you. But it doesn't do any harm to check a few key things, and although we're going to do something techie today, it's very simple. Start up your laptop or use your phone if you prefer, enter your web address and be sure to include HTTPS at the beginning. So for me, the address of our website is www.rubiqa.co.uk, so I'm going to type in https:// and my web address www.rubiqa.co.uk. This test is simple. When you press enter, does your website work? Do you see your website in its usual format, or is the whole thing suddenly a mess? This is our website when we have HTTPS at the beginning of the address, and you can see that it looks fine. If you're getting some odd techie sounding error on the screen, much like this, your website is not set up to use what's called a security certificate. I've done a previous video explaining what this is and why it's important, so if you want to know more detail, take a look at that. There's a link to it in the notes on our YouTube channel. My view is that all websites should have a security certificate these days. So if your site isn't working properly when you enter the HTTPS address, mention this to your website designer and they should be able to explain what needs to be done to rectify the situation. Our automated testing system Scanner runs a test much like this, along with around 40 others whenever we run a scanner report against a client's website. It helps the client discover hard to spot problems that affect their website's performance. We're offering free scanner reports currently, so if you're a business owner or a marketing professional, go to rubiqa.co.uk/scanner or click the link in the notes on our YouTube channel and you can request a free report for your business website. This was a quick, simple technology test. We'll cover design, content and marketing in future videos, so keep a lookout for those. Overall, this series of videos helps you build a website snagging list, and each video specifically focuses on a problem that's notoriously difficult to spot. Most people assess websites based purely on what they look like, but if you're in charge of your company's website, you need to know that every aspect of your site is working properly, not just that it's pretty. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get notified automatically each time we add a new video to the series. We have a number of other videos on the channel already that address similar tests that you can run against the design, content, technology and marketing aspects of your site, so you might want to take a look at those too.